If we want to start running this program, we're first going to have to bring up our Putty program. And if we say run, now this is under session, make sure you've got it set to serial, make sure you've chosen the right COM port here, make sure it's 9600 baud. Also under translation you should have it at CP437. If you say open, you should be able to see this screen. Now when we push the reset button on our Freedom K64, we should be able to start typing. Let me just move this down over here so we can see what's happening. So if I say hi there, how are you, question mark, everything seems fine. Every time I get a character from the keyboard, it sends it to the PC screen, and it does this forever. But when I hit an enter key, it puts me back to the start of the same line. And that's exactly what a carriage return does. It just puts you back to the start of the same line. What you need now is a line feed, and if you look it up, it's a 0A, and Control J is the 10th letter of the alphabet. And if we do that, we'll see that we move vertically straight down. So that's what we're going to have to do to our code. We're going to have to modify it if we want to have this carriage return line feed every time we have a carriage return entered from the keyboard. Now we've changed our program, so we've added an unsigned char variable called input. We're getting a character from the keyboard that's going into the variable input. Then we're checking that to see if it's a carriage return, which is 0D. If it is a carriage return, we're going to put out a line feed and then put out the carriage return. So line feed, carriage return. If the value that we've typed in from the keyboard is not a carriage return, it's just going to put out the character. Let's see how that works when we run our program. So I'm going to type the same hi there, how are you, question mark. Then I'm going to hit the enter key and look what we've done.